Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do another Queen's order. I've been so busy, y'all, so I haven't had time to do really no videos in the last couple of days. I have did videos, I just haven't had time to upload them. So I want to show y'all, and I'm pretty sure y'all done seen these in the Queen's order, but these are hair like wool, feet like brass. And as y'all can see, they're one of my hot sellers. A lot of people like them. We got the unks going around, and they're a fun pair to make. This is the back of them. Alright. This pair right here is also a fun pair to make. And if y'all want to, I did use the stencil. Y'all can go check the stencil out, but I added a goatee. And then I put an unk right here and did them a little different, but I did use my stencil. So y'all can go to knoirdesigns.com if y'all want to purchase this stencil of the brother. I think the stencil called the brother or something like that. Y'all will see it up here across the screen. So this is this, and it say, I believe Jesus was a black man. And it got a little unk right here. And then this is the back. These are so fly, y'all. All things are possible, and we are gods. Always remember that. That's why I call myself a goddess. Alright. So these are so fly. Y'all can even see the details of how I put like I gave them locks. Yeah, I have showed y'all this design before. But you know, each one will look a little different. So have his own little fingerprint. And a little blue bead right up there. And both of these pairs are on K.Noir Designs. This is going to New Hampshire. So thank you, Queen, for supporting original hand-painted earrings. And don't forget to check out knoirdesigns.com for all your different stencils. There's some online classes over there. So check them out. I'm going to add more to that. All right, y'all. All right, salam, salam.